Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials done fast. Make sure you have an Apple ID, a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection, and available storage. Once done, update iOS in settings so the App Store behaves predictably, then open the App Store app and sign in immediately. Make sure to enable Face ID or Touch ID for purchases to speed future downloads. Now that you're signed in and authenticated, you're ready to find and install apps without delay. Move to searching next. You'll now locate and vet the app carefully. Use the search tab for exact names or browse today, games, and apps for suggestions. Once on an app page, read the star rating and a few recent reviews to assess reliability. Check the privacy labels and the permissions the app requests so you know why it wants access. Also review price, in-app purchases, subscription terms, and the developer name. When you understand what you're installing and why, tap Get or the price to begin authentication. You finish by downloading and configuring the app. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password, then watch the download indicator. Open the app when it finishes. Make sure to grant required permissions and enable notifications only if needed, and sign into any in-app account to restore purchases or sync data. If the download stalls or the app fails to install, try freeing storage, restart the iPhone, toggle Wi-Fi, or sign out and back into your Apple ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.